Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save for kids activities with YMCA detailed guide step. Start by assessing your family's budget. Identify your monthly income and expenses. Calculate how much you can allocate specifically for kids activities. Research the various programs offered by the YMCA. Consider after-school programs, summer camps, and sports leagues. List the activities your children are interested in. Reach out to local YMCA branches to gather information about pricing. Create a dedicated savings account for kids' activities. Set an achievable savings goal based on your research. Determine how much you need to save each month to reach that goal. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your savings progress. Incorporate fun family activities that can substitute for paid outings. Encourage kids to participate in community fundraising events. Look for YMCA membership discounts or financial aid options. Consider teaming up with other families to share resources. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed. Plan ahead for seasonal programs to avoid last-minute expenses. Engage your children in the decision-making process. Discuss the value of these activities and the importance of saving. Celebrate milestones as you hit your savings targets together. Always keep communication open about financial goals. Make saving a family project to teach kids about budgeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.